Hello everyone and welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change YouTube Kids settings. Now there are several settings within YouTube Kids that you can adjust to tailor the experience for your child. And the first settings we have is the access settings. Now within the YouTube Kids app, the first step we have is to access settings. So what you do is that within the YouTube Kids app, tap the settings icon. Just looks like a gear or three dots in the app. It depends on the version you're using, and then enter your parent passcode. Once you've done that, adjust the settings. How? You can adjust the content level. We have different content level. We have preschool, which is suitable for a very young child or children with simple content, and then we have younger level, which is for a broader range of content appropriate for slightly older children. We also have the older level, which includes a wider variety of content but still age appropriate. Then we have approved content only level, where you can manually select the channels and videos your child can access. This provides the most control. Then we also have search settings. Now you can refine your search results by narrowing down the search results by selecting specific categories, e.g. learning, shows and music. We also have what they call watch history. So you can review your child's watch history to understand their viewing habits. You can also clear the watch history if needed. Then we also have time limits. You can set daily time limit for your child's YouTube Kids usage, but it may vary depending on the device you're using. Next, we have notifications. You can control whether your child receives notifications from YouTube app or not, YouTube Kids app or not. Then also have what they call block channels. You can block some specific channels that you don't want your child to access. Now all this I've mentioned are under adjust settings. So settings you can adjust. Now let's go to the next step. Next step is manage the settings through Google Family Link, if applicable. Now if you use Google Family Link to manage your child's device, you can also adjust your YouTube Kids settings through the Family Link app or website. It's as simple as that. Now it is very important to note that your parental passcode helps to protect your settings. So always protect your settings with a strong parental passcode to prevent unauthorized changes. Next, regularly review and adjust your child's YouTube settings as they grow and their interests evolve. By utilizing the settings, all the settings mentioned, you can create a safe and age-appropriate viewing experience for your child within the YouTube Kids app. Note that the specific settings and options may vary slightly depending on the device and version of the YouTube Kids app you're using. So always refer to the official YouTube Kids support documentation for the most up-to-date information. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.